friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hobbycraft. Today I am going to make a national flag and badge. So first for this we will have orange paper, white paper and green paper. Now we are going to make badge. For this we will cut orange, white and green paper. Now I have cut all the paper in the same size. Let's fold zigzag this way. Let's fold all the papers in this way only. Now friends, I have folded in zigzag position. Now we will fold in with the middle line. Let's fold all it. Now friends, I have folded. Now we will stick like this. First we will stick the green paper. From the middle we will put glue. We will stick. Let's stick. Now friends, our fans are ready. Now we will stick it together like this. Now friends, I have sticked it. Now we will put some glue here. Stick here our white fan. First one it have some difficulty, so don't worry about it. So friends, here our badge has been sticked. Now we will take white, green and orange paper. Now we will cut this one. Let's cut with white paper first. First make strips of it. Now I have made the strips. Now we will cut from here one. Let's make orange and green also. Now friends, I have cut here orange, white and green. Let's paste it all. Batch is ready. Let's keep here. Now we will make our national flag. Now friends, I have cut here orange and green are the same size. Now here white paper. Now friends, you have to see that you have cut the length of the green paper. Is some of this paper are the some white space has to be there to stick our sticks. Let's stick it. We have to stick like this. That here also orange, here also orange. Now here green. Here green. Now friends, here we will make Ashok Chakra. Now friends, here I have made the stick. Now we will paste like this the stick. And see friends, the orange will be at the top. Now we will make Ashok Chakra with circle. I am using tape. Now friends, our flag is and badges are ready. Stay home, stay safe.